Hi, everybody. I am super excited. It's our 36th year of the Fairfield County Dental Club. The 2024 to 2025 year season is now unveiled. We have 4 full days featuring Francisco Amado, who'll start off talking about a single tooth implant in the fall. And then we're going to have Henrietta Lerner from Germany talking about digital dentistry, pretty well-known woman who lectures all over the world, runs her own society. And then we'll have Ben Moravia talking about orthodontics in February. We'll end the year with Dr. Leanne Brady from the Pankey Institute, who'll be talking about everyday dentistry, a real fan favorite. In addition to the 4 full days, we'll have 4 evenings, including our study clubs where we do our treatment planning, both in the fall and the spring. And in the fall, we have Dr. Hunter Satterfield. He's a brilliant young investment guy from Kane Waters. He manages over $4 billion in funds. Don't miss that one. And we end the year with Greg Toback, a good friend of mine and periodontist from New London. We'll talk about periimplantitis. Hope to see you there, everybody. It's going to be a great year. Great time for not only education, but networking.